Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Bella Adelia Amanda. I'm from 6B class, and here I want to explain about code switching and code mixing. Code mixing and code switching are phenomena that influence many people in their language, even culture. And the use of code mixing as well as code switching eventually change their native language and foreign language. Okay, and for the first, I will explain about code switching. Definition of code switching. Code switching is when a speaker alternates between two or more languages in one conversation. Code switching is described as a skill of the bilingual speaker, and code switching is a term in linguistics referring to using more than one language or variety in conversation. Well, I will give the example of code switching.
Sekarang ini Michi Momo udah bersama dengan NCT Dream nih di sini. Jadi kemarin ini kan kita udah nonton ya, mereka punya konser di Korean Wave Transmedia 2019. Nah kali ini kita bakal mulai interview. 우선은 자카르타 오신 건 진짜 환영합니다.
감사합니다.
와, 컴백도 진짜 너무 축하드립니다.
감사합니다.
자, 일단은 인사를 좀 부탁해도 될까요?
네, 인사드리겠습니다. 하나, 둘, 셋. 투더월 여기는 S3 아빠까마를 위한 ST Dream.
Wah, aku senang banget ya sebenarnya ya bisa ketemu sama mereka langsung. Karena tahu mereka tuh soalnya kan benar-benar talented dan juga kayak keren banget. Jadi sekarang interview sijaknya ya? Nih.
Well, I will explain. In this video, the presenter using Indonesian language, which is her native language. But when she talked to the guests, she switched her native into Korean to make the guests know about what she talking about. And when she talked to audience that are Indonesian people, she changed into Indonesian language to make audience understand what they talking about. Okay, and now another example from code switching.
I realized that Tomir has a voice that is very good to hear during the night. Like, I don't know, I've been listening to his music, and I realized that it suits the night a lot. Like most of his songs. I heard there was I was into John Mayer a lot, and then 잠깐 왜 갑자기 영어를 많이 하지? 제가 생말 죄송합니다. 잠시 또 많이 안 듣다가 오랜만에 제가 확실히 기억하는 게 투어 중이었어요.
In this video, Mark Lee using English language, which is his native language, then suddenly he changed his language into Korean language. Okay, for the next there is the types of code switching. For the first there is text switching. Text switching is simply the insertion of a text in one language in an utterance which is entirely in the other language. And the second, intersentential switching. A speaker switch from one language to another language between different sentences. And the third, intrasentential switching. It is a code switching action where the speaker switches the codes within a sentence, and the speaker switches his or her code in the form of sentence, word, phrase, or clause. The switch depends on the speaker needs. Okay, and now I will explain about code mixing. Definition of code mixing. Code mixing is change of one language to another within the same utterance, oral or written text. And code mixing is codes have relation each others. And code mixing have several types. For the first, there is intralexical. Intralexical code mixing appears in the conversation when the speaker attach a word boundary in their utterance. And the second, intrasentential code mixing. This kind occurs within a phrase, clause, or sentence boundary.
So special about it?
It's because
Apa karena memang masuknya susah jadi tertantang atau ada something yang lain?
ada something yang lain sih, karena sebenarnya teman aku ada beberapa yang lulusan situ gitu. Dan dari cerita-cerita mereka, they feel like they've really grown dari that experience. Terus aku memang interested in business juga and like technology kayak gitu-gitu, dan the idea of studying deket banget dari Silicon Valley, terus abis itu just exposure to inspirational speakers, and approach-nya Stanford tuh juga sangat experience based, dan apa ya, kayak, dan dia juga have a very good education school gitu. Jadi aku bisa ngambil electives banyak banget dari education schoolnya.
Jadi walaupun majornya itu, tapi you can choose and pick and choose from other schools.
Iya. Jadi aku very drawn to that. Tapi aku juga selalu tahu bahwa I want to do something to do with education. Jadi kalau misalnya itu nggak keterima karena memang susah banget gitu ya, aku juga apply to some education program seperti gitu. Ya,
jadi Harvard itu pilihan kedua sebetulnya.
Well, in this video, Maudy Ayunda and Najwa Shihab mix their language when they talk. And they talk by mixing English language and Indonesian language. Okay, I think enough. That's all from me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.